Goodness comes in evil goes. Kimungo.
Kimungo Ukombozi, Kimungo Ukombozi, Kimungo Ukombozi, divine liberty, divine liberation, divine freedom, and all that will bring for African people wherever we happen to be on the face of this earth. Karibu, welcome. My name is Kwende, and today we're going to get into another important subject, and that subject is be proud of your own self-determined cultural holiday in Kwanzaa. African culture as a whole is determined by African people, and it serves African people in order for this primary people to rise and fulfill living optimal functioning. Kwanzaa as a cultural holiday is a firm part of African culture. It has been established by African people for the benefit and participation of African people throughout the world. And it certainly fulfills that as millions of African souls engage in this wonderful and special time of year. It is something to be proud of. Here we have a holiday that has been determined to be by this primary people who have been thrust into the realms of all kinds of interruptions and disruptions by way of the Ma'afa of recent centuries, yet still have taken the responsibility upon themselves to establish, to restore cultural fabric in a readily accessible and powerful way. This is what Kwanzaa represents and is. So to participate in Kwanzaa is a pride-filled endeavor. To celebrate Kwanzaa is a pride-filled endeavor. And what Kwanzaa does, amongst much else, is to hold up that mirror to the African self to energize African pride and dignity and ascension. And here we're not talking about pseudo pride or false pride. This is the stuff of rooted meaningfulness. This is the pride of the ages. This is the pride that African people have walked in as they've cultivated themselves to bring forth the greatest and most long-lived civilizations that the world has ever seen. And through the restoration of cultural fabric, that reality can surely be realized again, and this time long-standing into eternity. So be proud as African souls in what we have been able to do, what we can celebrate of ourselves. And Kwanzaa is a powerful and magnificent reflection of this. So with that food for thought, and surely it is food for thought, Kimungo Ukombozi, Kimungo Ukombozi, Kimungo Ukombozi, divine liberty, divine liberation, divine freedom, and all that will bring for African people wherever we happen to be on the face of this earth.
Kwanzaa is for real. We've got to live our own greatness revealed.